Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know y'all noticed the name channel change. Yes, I changed it. Anyway, so I'm one curling my hair. I got this new wig. It was a deep wave wig. It was real thick. I should have showed how thick it was. I think I have a video in here somewhere showing. I'll post it. I should have a video how thick it was. I straightened it with my straightener. Now I'm going to use my wand curler. My wand curler, it comes with 2 sets of curlers. You can kind of tell the difference. Like this one is thicker than this one. This one it's thick and then it goes skinny. This one is just, you can kind of tell the difference or whatever. So I already went through and kind of did a little bit. I'm doing a loose and then I'm going to kind of comb it out and then I'm going to fix it. I didn't do my edges under here. I'm just laying this down. So yeah, it's more so the top part that needs to be more uniform. The bottom part don't need to be that uniform. But I thought this was going to take me a long time to do. But I'm doing these in kind of big parts at the bottom. So the bottom not going to take me that long. But the top, I'm going to do them in smaller sections so it can look more like uniform, like I was saying. Look a little bit more uniform. So I'm using this to make the curls stick and stay. This was like $3. Okay, so this is one of the curls in the back. I didn't pin it. Hopefully y'all can see that. I didn't pin it. So hopefully all of the curls came out like that. You know what I'm saying? Because we want this to look right. Again, after I need to lay my lace down again because I accidentally pulled my lace back. Doing this, I was like this and I like pulled it, so it like messed it up at the front. This whole part right here ripped. Braids, right in the middle of the video. I should just. Okay, I'm going like this really tight so it can form. Okay, that came out nice. See that? I'm gonna try my best when I get on the other side to do the same exact angle. It's actually harder. It's harder doing the other side like the same exact way as the side. Cause this side, I bet you this side can come out nice. Just because this side is gonna come out nice. And guess what? The other side gonna give me a problem. I already know. So I got these big clips in there, big ones, big clips. Cause you can see the curl right there already. Big clips in there. These don't matter because this is just gonna be at the bottom. Like the top right here is gonna matter because that's the part where, you know, it's at the top. Okay, so after I did this, I pulled them apart. I let them sit for a little while, then I started pulling them apart. But I realized it was way too poofy at the end. I was like, I gotta let these babies drop because this is not exactly the style I was going for. I was going for more of a loose wave, not so much of a very thick poofy wave, which I should have figured that was gonna happen anyway because I used a lot of hairspray. So anyway, towards the end, I put more oil in the hair. I waited a few days. I still put oil in the hair the same day, and then I waited a few days, and then I let the hair drop. Like 2 days later, the hair dropped, and then I went from there. I'll explain here. Okay, I went back and I sprayed oil in the hair. This oil right here in the hair so it can make it flatter. And I just went back and it needs to be even flattened. So like I need to put like a headscarf on it. But I'm about to style it some more so it can come out looking right. But I like the way the curls look. So I basically did the same exact thing, but I let my curls drop. And today's a new day. And I let the curls drop and I just went over some of the curls because you can tell like I didn't go over all the curls. I just went over the top curls, okay? Sorry I didn't do it on camera. I was just trying to figure out what I wanted to do because I didn't like the style previously shown. Like I wanted to be more flat. So in order for me to have it more flat, I had to spray oil on the hair. The hair is oily. It's oily, but it's giving me the curls that I wanted, like that drop look, like full drop look curl. So this is the way I wanted it to look, and that's the only way I could get it to look like that is by spraying it up there. I didn't spray this. I sprayed this the first time, but the second time around, since it's still in the hair, I didn't spray it. So that was a couple days ago. So this is a new day. Okay, so I didn't spray that because that product is still in here. The only new product I sprayed in here was this pink spray, and then I wand curl, pull. Every curl you do, you wand curl it like I just showed in the video, and you pull it down to get it like this. Okay, to get it like this, it's a struggle. Okay, a struggle. Trying to do this. I was getting frustrated because I was not about to do it again. I'm gonna style it. Hold on. Okay, I like the way this looks. Hopefully y'all can see it. I don't have no makeup on, obviously, but I like the way this looks. It looks a little bit better than how it was looking before. Like, it got the little it's just I need to go back under and do this over, but it's okay. I was being lazy, so I just did the top. That's why I was like, nobody not gonna see the bottom. Like, the top is where it's at. You gotta get the curls in nice where the top is at, so that it's not, so it don't look funny. Like underneath, it don't have to be curled because that can be like the fluff underneath. You know, it could be like slightly curled, but that could be the fluff. You know, to keep it nice and fluffy. You know, but I like the way this look. It's much more flatter. I didn't really do baby hairs, y'all. I kind of just like threw that shit up there and then threw the wrap on it and called it a day. I didn't do no baby hairs at all. I glued it down and it barely was even working for that specific point. And I drew on these eyebrows. These not my eyebrows. I drew these bad boys on. I don't know if I should do. I'm going out. I don't want to do my makeup, so I probably won't. Just for this video, I'm not doing it. So, cause I'm going out, I just want to look normal, like, but with my hair done normal. Yeah, like hair done normal. Like all the hair to the front, it looks good. I'm seeing it's formed. Yeah, it's cute.